like to teach you, or I will make a tutorial on how to verify your Google AdSense. So since you requested for 3 times already, and yet your pin is not yet arrived on your house or on your office, so this is the solution, guys. Hope you like my simple tutorial, and of course thank you very much to my friend Matthew Vlogs 2016 and Marlon Sore, and of course to Miss Jen Laride. Ayan, they are the one who teach me also to verify my AdSense, and of course if you new to my channel, if you are new to my... Okay guys, let's go to our mobile phone. By the way guys, you can use your mobile phone or laptop, but make sure that you installed your Chrome inside. Okay guys, and by the way, just sorry for my English because I'm not that fluent in English. Hope you understand my English language. And okay, let's go. Let's open the Chrome, and you have to type this word, pin troubleshooting. So, and then search. It will pop up like this, and then open this one, personal identification number or pin troubleshooter AdSense help. So click this one, and then it will appear like this. So there's questions inside, so you have to answer this wholeheartedly. And number one question, were, are your earnings greater than the verification threshold? Okay, I think you have $10 already, so yes, you have to answer yes. And next question, it will appear like this: have you received your PIN? So until now we don't receive our PIN, that's why we do this one. So your answer is no. And another question here is, have you already requested 3 replacement PIN? So actually we request already 3 times, so that's why we do this also. Have you already requested 3 replacement pins? So yes, your answer is yes. But if your answer is no, it will not appear this one, the contact us. So you have to resend at least 3 times, guys, your pin. So after 3 times, and then wait this one or do this one, so that your problem will be solved. Okay, and then after that you answer yes. Have you already requested 3 replacement pins? You answer yes, and then it will appear like this, and then contact us. Click the contact us, and then answer this one. Please note that we are unable to verify your pin manually.